Starting a business in 2025 could be one of the smartest financial moves you make. With the right idea and execution, you can create a profitable income stream that grows over time. In today's video, I'll be sharing 10 business ideas that are not only in demand but also have high earning potential. But before we dive in, I want to share something that's been a huge help in my own journey: Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform packed with classes to help you practice your creativity and build practical skills to succeed. One class I'd recommend checking out is The Staples of Branding: From Purpose to Product by Jeff Staple. This class dives into the essentials of creating a unique and recognizable brand, something that's key for any successful business. You'll learn how to define your brand's identity, connect with your audience, and stand out in a crowded market. It's perfect if you're looking to start or scale your own business in 2025. What's great about Skillshare is how it encourages you to practice your creativity. With thousands of classes covering topics like branding, product photography, and business planning, it's the perfect platform to take your ideas to the next level. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up your skills, there's something for everyone. The platform is super easy to use, and the classes are short, engaging, and packed with actionable steps. I've already learned so much just by exploring what Skillshare has to offer, and I'm sure you'll find it just as inspiring. The first 500 people to use my link in the description or pinned comment will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. This is the perfect opportunity to start learning and turning your ideas into reality, so don't miss out. Now let's get into the business ideas. First up, we have digital product store. Selling digital products is one of the most scalable and low-maintenance business ideas. You can create and sell ebooks, digital planners, online courses, printables, or stock photos. Once you make the product, it can generate passive income without additional costs. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify are great platforms to start selling. If you want to start a business with low overhead costs and high profit margins, digital products are the way to go. Ebooks and guides. If you have knowledge in a specific area, you can write and sell a digital book. Notion templates and digital planners. Many people look for ready-made organization templates for productivity and business planning. Stock photos and graphic elements. If you have photography or design skills, you can sell stock images, icons, or digital illustrations. Once you create the product, you can sell it infinitely with no additional costs. You can list them on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or even your own website. AI-powered content creation. With AI tools becoming more advanced, businesses need help generating high-quality content. You can start an AI-assisted content agency that provides blog posts, social media captions, and ad copy. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney can speed up the process, making this a profitable side hustle. Businesses pay for SEO-optimized blog posts to boost their Google rankings. Using AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva, you can create captions, carousels, and even entire social media calendars. AI-generated scripts and AI voiceovers can be sold as services for YouTube or TikTok creators. You can charge per project or offer subscription-based services. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or your own website are great places to find clients. Subscription box business. Subscription boxes are still booming. You can curate a monthly or quarterly box around a niche. Think skincare, self-care, books, or healthy snacks. With a strong brand identity and a unique selection of products, you can attract recurring customers and generate consistent revenue. This is still a thriving industry because people love curated experiences. Curate trendy skincare brands and send them to subscribers monthly. Pair books with coffee, candles, or bookmarks for an immersive experience. Feature snacks from different countries or healthy organic treats. To keep costs low, start with pre-orders and source products from wholesale suppliers. Websites like Cratejoy help you set up your subscription model easily. Another idea is social media management agency. Businesses need help maintaining their Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn presence. If you understand content strategy and engagement, you can charge clients $500 to $2,000 per month to handle their social media. You don't need a large following yourself, just proven results. If you know how to create engaging content, grow accounts, and increase brand visibility, social media management is a profitable business. Offer services like content creation, graphics, reels, and carousel posts. Most businesses are willing to pay $500 to $2,000 per month per account, and if you scale with multiple clients, you can earn 6 figures annually. Print-on-demand business. With zero inventory costs, print-on-demand is one of the easiest ways to sell custom apparel, phone cases, and home decor. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Teespring let you design products and sell them directly to customers without handling production or shipping. The process is simple. Design your product using Canva or Photoshop. Upload it to platforms like Printful, Printify, or Teespring. Customers place an order, and the supplier prints and ships it. You never handle inventory, making it a low-risk business. The key to success is choosing unique designs that target specific niches like anime, travel lovers, or motivational quotes. Virtual assistant services. Entrepreneurs and small businesses are always looking for virtual assistants to handle emails, data entry, customer support, and social media. You can start on Upwork or Fiverr and charge hourly or monthly retainer fees. Some VAs earn $2,000 plus per month working remotely. Busy entrepreneurs need virtual assistants for tasks like email management, calendar scheduling, data entry. You can start on Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, then build a retainer-based business charging clients monthly. Some VAs make $5,000 plus per month depending on skills and experience. Faceless YouTube automation. You don't have to be on camera to make money on YouTube. With faceless YouTube channels, you can outsource script writing, video editing, and voiceovers to create content in finance, tech, motivation, or storytelling niches. Once monetized, this can generate thousands in passive income. Script writing, use ChatGPT. Voiceovers, use AI or freelancers. Video editing, use stock footage and AI tools. Popular faceless niches include finance, luxury, tech reviews, and history storytelling. Once monetized, you can make money from ads, brand deals, and affiliate links. Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can offer one-on-one coaching or consulting. This works well for fitness trainers, marketing experts, business strategists, or even language tutors. You can sell your services through Zoom or Google Meet and charge $50 to $500 per session. If you're skilled in business, fitness, marketing, or mindset coaching, you can offer one-on-one coaching calls via Zoom. Charge per session or create coaching packages. Sell digital courses or ebooks alongside your coaching. Market your services via social media or a personal website. Handmade crafts and jewelry business. Handmade products like candles, resin art, and stainless steel jewelry are always in demand. You can sell them on Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own Shopify store. If you create unique, high-quality pieces, you can build a loyal customer base. If you enjoy creating, you can sell handmade candles, soaps, or resin art, jewelry, stainless steel, beaded, or clay jewelry. Sell on Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own Shopify store. You can start with small batch production and scale as you grow. Luxury car and apartment rentals. If you have access to a luxury car, penthouse, or unique property, you can rent them out for photo shoots, Airbnb stays, or event spaces. With high-end rentals, you can make thousands per month while leveraging assets you already own or lease. You can rent them out for Airbnb stays, photo shoots and content creators, event spaces, and business retreats. You can charge $200 to $2,000 per rental depending on location and demand. Starting a business doesn't have to be complicated. These 10 business ideas are great for beginners and experienced entrepreneurs alike. Let me know in the comments which one you'd love to start. And don't forget, Skillshare is offering a free 1-month trial to the first 500 people who use my link in the description and pinned comment. If you want to start 2025 with the right skills, take advantage of this opportunity.